Everyone, this is Dalai Lama, Assistant Professor Physics in WITS College. Welcome to WITS Connect. Previous class discussed friction. What is the friction? Friction is a resistive force which opposes the relation of two surfaces in contact. For example, by walk, one person by walk on the floor, the feet and floor are two surfaces. The resistive force, friction is the resistive force which opposes the relation between two surface and contact in the opposite direction. So the walk the man is called friction. Next one is the types of frictions. There are three types of frictions. First one is the static friction. Second one is the kinetic friction or dynamic friction. Third one is rolling friction. First one is the static friction is denoted by Fs, is the static friction. Second one is the kinetic friction or dynamic friction is denoted by Fk, is the kinetic friction. Third one is the rolling friction is denoted by Fr. Fr is the rolling friction. The first one is the static friction. To define the static friction, the force of friction which does not allow the body to move against an applied force is called static friction. There is no force. The force of friction which does not allow the body to move against an applied force is called static friction. For example, the table, the book, the table and the book are object. The table and book is constant. Constant means there is no force, there is no applied force, so table and book is the constant. This is the called static friction. Static means is the rest or constant, so or there is no motion. For example, table and the book. Table and book is the constant. There is no motion. Is called static friction. The force of friction which does not allow the body to move against an applied force. There is no applied force. So the book is constant. Is called static friction. Next one point is that static friction is denoted by Fs. Denoted by Fs. For example, the table and the duster. Table and the duster. For example, table and the duster. Table is the constant. Duster is constant. Is the static friction. Now another example is the wall. The wall is the constant. So this is the static friction. The another one is the limiting friction. What is the limiting friction? The maximum value of static friction that develops on the body when the body just tends to slide over the surface to another body is called limiting friction. For example, the static friction, the table and book, the constant. There is no change. Some force are applied. The body means the book. Move to another place. Slide means another place. The maximum value of static friction, some external force are using, that develops on the body when the body just tends to slide over the surface to move some distance of another body is called limiting friction. Example, the limiting friction denoted by Fl. The limiting friction denoted by Fl. The next one is the kinetic friction or dynamic friction. Kinetic means is the moving the object. The definition of kinetic friction: the force of friction that occurs when two surfaces slide over one other relative is called kinetic friction. Two surface. There are two surface. For example, is the table. The another one is the book. The two surface slide over to one another. The relatively. For example, the force are applied. For example, is the table. Is the book. Is the kinetic friction. The force are applied. For example, the force are applied. The book is moving one place to another place. The two surface, the table and book, slide over one another relatively. The moving one place to another place is called kinetic friction. Repeat once again. What is the kinetic friction? The force of friction that occurs when two surface, example table and book, slide over one another. The table and book, two surface, to moving one place to another place is called kinetic friction. From diagram, force is opposite the friction. So body is moving is easily. Next one is the kinetic friction is denoted by kinetic friction F K. This is the kinetic friction. For example of kinetic friction, dragging the things, sliding on inclined plane. This is the example of kinetic friction. Dragging things. For example, the object is dragging is the one place to another place. It's called kinetic friction. The third one is the rolling friction. The rolling means is the circle or rounds. What is the definition of rolling friction? The force of friction that occurs when one body rolls over another is called rolling friction. The example, one body is the rolling the one place to another place. The rolling motion. The force are applied. Force are applied, the opposite of the friction. So the bodies or object is moving the two surface is called rolling friction. Repeat once again. The force of friction. The force of friction that occurs when one body rolls over another body. One body rolls over another body is called rolling friction. The rolling friction is denoted by F-R. The denoted by F-R. Example, riding a motorcycle. Riding a motorcycle. Example, the motorcycle wheels are circle path. It's called rolling friction. The another one is the pushing on the roller on the road. Example of road roller. The next one topic is important. The normal reaction. What is the normal reaction? Normal reaction is the force. Normal reaction is the force which acts perpendicular to the plane on the body is laying. For example, the normal reaction is the horizontal plane. Some body, object or body. Some body. The body, the upward direction is the normal reaction or perpendicular. The perpendicular is the normal reaction. The upward direction is the weight. W is the weight. Repeat once again. Normal reaction is the force. Is the important. Normal reaction is the force which acts perpendicular. Perpendicular. The some direction. The point O is the perpendicular line. Perpendicular means is the 90 degrees. Plane on the body is laying. The horizontal plane is the vertically plane. Next one is this is the line, is the perpendicular plane is the normal reaction. The downward direction is the weight. Next one is the normal reaction is represented by R. Normal reaction is represented by capital R. Normal reaction, the first case is body on a horizontal plane. This is the horizontal plane. Horizontal plane. This is the object or some body. For example, the object, some mass m, some mass of the object. Next one is the upward direction is the normal reaction or normal reaction. The downward direction is the W. W means is the weight equal to mg. Body on a horizontal plane. From diagram, consider a mass in horizontal plane. The mass is the horizontal plane. Mass is the horizontal plane. As shown in this figure, the weight of the mass, the weight, the vertically downward direction. Weight is vertically, the vertically downward direction. The symbol is vertically downwards. Downwards direction. The normal reaction exactly equal to mg. The normal reaction R is the important. The normal reaction R is exactly equal to weight or mg but this is the opposite direction. The normal reaction and weight is the opposite direction. The next one is the laws of friction. First one is the laws of friction. Frictional force always opposes the relative motion between the two surfaces in contact. For example, the two surfaces to standing the position is the floor. Next one is the feet. Example, two surfaces in contact to standing the position, compulsory to use the friction. There is no friction, the boy is slipped. The boy is slipped. Standing position on the turn of the pages. I am talking the more than example of the friction. The frictional force always opposite relative motion. This is the opposite relative motion and floor and feet. Next point is the frictional force is tangential to the surface in contact and opposite to the direction of motion. The third one is the frictional force depends on the nature. The frictional force depends on the nature and condition of the surface in contact. Next one is law is frictional force. Frictional force is directly proportional to normal reaction. Normal reaction. Therefore, F proportional to R, capital R. To remove the proportionality, the some constant F is equal to mu into R. Mu into R. Mu is the coefficient of friction. Mu is coefficient of friction. The important law, frictional force is directly proportional to normal reaction. F is directly proportional to R. F is the frictional force. Next one, R is the normal reaction. To remove the proportionality is that some constant value. Some constant value means mu. Mu is the coefficient of friction. Next one is the coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction is the mu, is represented by mu. What is the definition of coefficient of friction? The ratio between frictional force and normal reaction is called coefficient of friction. Previous the laws of friction, F is equal to mu r. Mu is the coefficient of friction. So mu equal to F by r. The ratio between F by r. The ratio between frictional force and normal reaction is called coefficient of friction. The force. Frictional force means the force. Normal reaction is the force. Force cancel equal 1. The dimension formula, the SI units, there is no units of coefficient of friction, no units. Next one is the 1. There is no dimension formula. There is no dimensional formula. Repeat once again. Coefficient of friction. Laws of frictions. F is equal to mu into r. Frictional force is proportional to normal reaction. Some proportional is the remove. Mu into r. Mu is the coefficient of friction. F by r. F is the frictional force by normal reaction. The frictional force or normal reaction is equal to force. The force cancel equal 1. So is the important. There is no units of coefficient of friction. There is no dimensional formula of coefficient of friction.